Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Today TV. This is part 3 of our AI series, and today we answer the question that gets asked more than any other. How do you actually earn with AI? 3 real routes, the skill that is in highest demand, how to get your first client, and the false promises you should walk away from. Nothing about becoming rich overnight, only what genuinely works. Let us begin. There are 3 routes to earning. The first, sell a service. Writing, translation, captions, product descriptions. The second, build content. YouTube, blogs, reels. And the third, use AI inside the job you already have. That third one is the lowest risk and the surest progress, and almost nobody talks about it. Let us take route 1, selling a service. What can you actually sell? Social media captions for local shops, product descriptions for online sellers, translation in both directions, blog posts and newsletters. Notice what these have in common. They are all things a small business needs every week and has no time for. And the golden rule here is simple. Speed up the work you already understand. Do not sell a service in a field you know nothing about. Route 2, building content. AI writes the script, plans the thumbnail, and gives you the next 10 video ideas in about a minute. But the voice, the face, and the judgment stay yours. Nobody watches a channel that feels like a machine. Content pays slowly at first and then all at once. If you are patient, this is the route with the highest ceiling. Route 3, using AI at work. This is the safest route of all. Same job, same desk, same salary to begin with. But your reports, your emails and your plans come out twice as fast and noticeably better. There is no risk here at all because you are not asking anyone for anything and your manager notices within a month. For most people watching this is the route I would start with. Now, which skills are in the highest demand? First, prompt writing, which is the fastest growing skill of all. Second, AI writing, copy, emails, scripts, product descriptions. Third, AI design, posters, thumbnails and product images. And fourth, reading data, which simply means turning numbers into a decision somebody can act on. Notice that none of these need a degree. So, how do you get that first client? 4 steps. First, make 3 samples, free or nearly free. Second, start close to home, the shop down the road, a friend's business, a small firm nearby. Third, show the work, not a certificate. And fourth, ask for a review after every single job. Nobody asks a freelancer for their degree. They ask what you have already made. Now, what should you charge? Start low enough to get the first 3 jobs done and then raise your price after every good review. But here is the most important line in this video. Charge for the result, not for the hour. If AI helps you finish in 20 minutes, charging by the hour punishes you for being fast. The client is not buying your time, they are buying the outcome. And now 3 traps to avoid. The first, courses that promise you will become rich overnight. Nobody can promise that. Walk away. The second, paying money before you have learned anything. Everything you need right now is available free. And the third, sending AI text straight to a client untouched. Always rewrite it in your own voice because clients can tell. Here is a simple 30-day plan. Week 1, get comfortable with one tool. Week 2, build your 3 samples. Week 3, talk to 10 people and land the first job. Week 4, deliver it, collect a review and raise your rate. Your first rupee in 30 days is entirely possible, but only if you actually start in week 1. Now about part 4, In the next video, we will cover AI for students, study, notes, and exam preparation done the honest way. If you are studying or you have children who are, that one is for you. So subscribe to Tech Today TV now and press the bell icon. So let us go over part 3 once more. First, there are 3 routes: a service, content, or the job you already have. Second, prompt writing is the skill in shortest supply right now. Third, 3 samples beat any certificate you could buy. And fourth, charge for the result, never for the hour. Also remember, this video is not a guarantee of income. Your results depend on your effort and your market. So check things for yourself before any decision involving money. Pick your route today and make one sample. See you in part 4. Thank you.